Hey there, flower enthusiasts. Today I'm taking you on a journey to discover how those beautiful tulips in your garden come to life. Ready? Let's dive in. First off, tulips are not just any flower. They have a rich history dating back to the Ottoman Empire and were once so prized in Holland that they caused what's known as tulip mania. Crazy, right? Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how these beauties are grown. It all starts with the bulb. Think of tulip bulbs as nature's little storage units. These bulbs are planted in the fall about 6 to 8 inches deep in the soil. One key thing to remember, tulips need well-drained soil. They don't like to sit in water. Once planted, the bulbs go through a resting phase during the winter. They need this cold period to trigger their growth cycle. So if you're in a warmer climate, you might need to refrigerate your bulbs before planting. Keep that in mind. As spring approaches, something magical happens. The warm temperatures and longer days wake the bulbs up. They start to sprout, pushing their way through the soil. It's like a little miracle every single year. Soon enough you'll start seeing those familiar green shoots, and then, the moment we've all been waiting for, the blooming. Tulips come in almost every color imaginable, from rich reds to vibrant yellows and even striped varieties. They bloom for a few weeks in spring, putting on a spectacular show. But the journey doesn't end there. After blooming, it's important to let the foliage die back naturally. This allows the bulb to gather energy for next year's bloom. Once the leaves have turned brown, you can remove them. One last tip, if you want more tulips next year, try lifting and dividing the bulbs every few years. It's a simple process that ensures your tulip garden stays lush and vibrant. So there you have it, the life cycle of a tulip from bulb to bloom. It's an incredible process that's both simple and fascinating. Next time you see a tulip, you'll know just how much effort went into that beautiful flower. Thanks for joining me on this floral adventure. Happy gardening, and may your tulips always bloom bright. Remember to like and subscribe for more fun garden tips. Until next time, keep blooming.